how to turn on or turn off Google Keyboard or Gboard Auto Capitalization on the Samsung Galaxy S25 series. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Now from the home screen, swipe down at the top to open up Quick Settings. In here, tap on the Settings icon. Next, we scroll down, and then in here, tap on General Management. Next, tap on Keyboard List and Default. Then after that, we go down and tap on Gboard. Now tap on Text Correction. Then we scroll down and tap on Auto Capitalization. Tap on the toggle button to turn off or switch on Auto Capitalization for Gboard or Google Keyboard. And here it says capitalize the first word of each sentence while using Virtual Keyboard. Finally, you can tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.